John D. Cleaning offers house cleaning and residential housekeeping services. Depending on your needs, we offer routine or single occurrence cleaning.
We have all sorts of specialized cleaning services available at any time for our customers. Garage cleaning and organizing, pantry cleaning, spring cleaning, closet cleaning, move in and move out cleaning, pack and unpack from your move, kitchen cleaning and organizing.
Whether you need cleaning services for your home, office, apartment or your make-ready, John D. Cleaning has the experience to tackle your job. Give us a call at 713-446-2635.